Whether you're an avid adventurer, a frequent traveler, or simply someone who values safety, having the right tools can make all the difference. And the good news is that technology has made it easier to carry and use these important gadgets. So join me as I take you on a journey to check out 15 essential gadgets that can save your life in any outdoor situation. Let's get started. Number 1. LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. An essential item for any outdoor enthusiast or emergency pack is the LifeStraw Personal Water Filter. Without the use of chemicals, batteries, or moving parts, it eliminates 99.9% of waterborne protozoan parasites and 99.9999% of waterborne bacteria. You can obtain up to 1,000 liters of safe drinking water from any freshwater source with this incredibly lightweight and portable filter, making sure you stay hydrated and healthy even under the most trying circumstances. A dependable and user-friendly portable source of clean water, the LifeStraw is ideal for outdoor activities, including hiking, camping, and natural disaster relief. Number 2. VSSL Compact Adventure First Aid Kit. The VSSL Compact Adventure First Aid Kit is a must-have for any adventurer. This stylish, cylindrical kit has everything you need to treat minor wounds and illnesses, including premium medical supplies. It comes with bandages, tweezers, antiseptic wipes, medical tape, and more, all carefully arranged in a sturdy, water-resistant aluminum container. In addition, the kit has an integrated compass and torch for added convenience and security, ensuring you're always ready for unforeseen events. The VSSL Compact Adventure First Aid Kit is compact enough to fit in a glove compartment or backpack. Number 3. Garmin InReach Mini. When it comes to travelers and outdoor enthusiasts, the Garmin InReach Mini is revolutionary. Even in areas without cell service, you can stay connected with this lightweight, portable satellite communicator. You can track your location, send and receive text messages, and send an SOS to a 24-hour worldwide rescue monitoring sensor. With the InReach Mini, it is a dependable friend in even the most distant and challenging settings, thanks to its long battery life and weather-resistant construction. The Garmin InReach Mini is a vital piece of equipment, since it provides the assurance that you can get aid in an emergency. Number 4. ResQ-Link View Personal Locator Beacon. Anyone traveling to distant locations needs to have the ResQ-Link View Personal Locator Beacon. This small, buoyant, GPS-enabled beacon sends your location to a global network of search and rescue satellites, offering a lifesaver in an emergency. With its clear, bright screen and quick activation, the ResQ-Link View makes sure assistance is always available. This sturdy and dependable beacon gives you the assurance to explore safely, whether you're hiking, boating, or going off the grid, since you know you can call for help at the touch of a button. Number 5. Saber Red Pepper Gel. Saber Red Pepper Gel is a powerful and effective self-defense tool that offers peace of mind in uncertain situations. Unlike traditional pepper spray, this gel formula reduces wind blowback, ensuring the product only affects the intended target. The gel also contains a UV marking dye to aid in suspect identification. With a range of up to 18 feet, Saber Red Pepper Gel provides a safe distance between you and an attacker. Its compact design and easy-to-use flip-top safety mechanism make it perfect for carrying in your bag or pocket, ready to protect you when needed. Number 6. Surviveware Small First Aid Kit. A complete premium medical kit, ideal for travelers and emergency scenarios, is the Surviveware Small First Aid Kit. Everything you need to treat small injuries is included in this sturdy and portable kit, which also includes bandages, splinter probes, and antiseptic wipes. The kit's well-organized compartments make it simple to locate the items you need quickly, and its durable, water-resistant case guarantees that your supplies are kept safe in any setting. The Surviveware Small First Aid Kit is a dependable and necessary item for being ready and safe whether you're traveling, camping, or trekking. Number 7. Kaido KA500 Emergency Radio. During emergencies, the Kaido KA500 Emergency Radio is a useful and dependable tool for remaining connected and informed. With AM, FM, shortwave, and NOAA weather channels on this multi-purpose radio, you can be sure to stay informed and receive notification. In addition, it has a built-in reading lamp, torch, and smartphone charger, which makes it a priceless tool during emergencies or power outages. You may power the KA500 with solar, hand crank, batteries, or an AC converter to make sure you always have access to light and information. The Kaido KA500 is an essential component of any emergency kit due to its robust construction and extensive feature set. Number 8. SOG Multi-Tool Pliers. The SOG Multi-Tool Pliers are an essential gadget for any adventurer or handyman. This versatile tool combines multiple functions into one compact and durable device, including pliers, wire cutters, screwdrivers, a knife, and more. Made from high-quality stainless steel, The SOG multi-tool is built to withstand tough conditions and heavy use. Its ergonomic design ensures a comfortable grip, while the easy-to-use locking mechanism keeps tools securely in place during use. Whether you are camping, hiking, or tackling everyday tasks, the SOG multi-tool pliers are a reliable and handy companion. Number 9. Petzl Actic Core Headlamp. Petzl Actic Core Headlamp is a powerful and versatile lighting solution for any outdoor activity. With a maximum brightness of 450 lumens and multiple lighting modes, this headlamp provides reliable illumination in various situations. The Actic core is rechargeable via USB, reducing the need for disposable batteries and ensuring you always have power. Its lightweight design and adjustable headband make it comfortable to wear for extended periods. Whether you are hiking, camping, or working in low-light conditions, the Petzl Actic Core Headlamp is an essential tool for staying safe and seeing clearly. Number 10. Lifeline AAA Premium Road Kit. Any car should have the Lifeline AAA Premium Road Kit as an emergency supply, packed in a sturdy and small bag. This all-inclusive kit comes with jumper cables, a first aid kit, a flashlight, reflective warning triangles, a multi-tool, and more. The Lifeline AAA Premium Road Kit guarantees you're ready for unforeseen breakdowns or accidents by providing you with the tools you need to address a range of roadside situations. Its premium components offer peace of mind on every trip, and its neatly arranged sections make it simple to locate what you need quickly. Number 11. Thermacell MR300 Portable Mosquito Repeller. Thermacell MR300 Portable Mosquito Repeller is a must-have for anyone who spends time outdoors. This compact device creates a 15-foot zone of protection against mosquitoes using a scent-free and DEET-free formula. The MR300 is lightweight, easy to use, and highly effective, providing up to 12 hours of protection on a single cartridge. Portability makes it perfect for camping, hiking, or backyard gathering, ensuring you stay comfortable and bite-free. With the Thermacell MR300, you can enjoy the outdoors without the nuisance of mosquitoes. Number 12. Uncharted Supply Company, the 72 Survival System. Uncharted Supply Company's 72 Survival System is a comprehensive emergency pack made to keep you alive for the first 72 hours of any disaster. This all-inclusive kit comes with food, drink, medical supplies, tools, and other necessities, all housed in a sturdy, water-resistant backpack. Comprehensive manual is another aspect of the 72 Survival System that will assist you in navigating emergencies and making important decisions. Whether you're dealing with a sudden emergency, a natural disaster, or a power out, this pack gives you the tools you need to survive and recover. Number 13. Leatherman Signal Multi-Tool. The Leatherman Signal Multi-Tool is a rugged and reliable gadget designed for outdoor enthusiasts and emergency situations. This multi-tool features 19 functions, including pliers, wire cutters, a knife, a saw, a fire-starting ferro rod, and an emergency whistle. Made from high-quality stainless steel, the Signal is built to withstand tough conditions and heavy use. Its compact design and included sheath make it easy to carry on your belt or in your bag. Whether you're camping, hiking, or facing a survival situation, the Leatherman Signal Multi-Tool is an indispensable companion. Number 14. RAV Power Solar Charger. The RAV Power Solar Charger is a powerful and eco-friendly solution for keeping your devices charged on the go. This portable solar panel features high-efficiency solar cells that convert sunlight into energy, allowing you to charge your smartphone, tablet, or other USB devices. Its foldable design and lightweight construction make it easy to carry and set up wherever you need power. The RAV Power Solar Charger is perfect for camping, hiking, or emergency preparedness, ensuring you stay connected and powered up even in remote locations. Number 15. Nightcore EC11 Flashlight. The Nightcore EC11 Flashlight is a lightweight, highly effective lighting option. This torch has 3 brightness settings and a maximum output of 900 lumens, making it dependable in a variety of lighting circumstances. The EC11 offers flexibility and convenience since it runs on a single 18350 or CR123A battery. Its robust, water-resistant construction guarantees that it can survive challenging conditions, and its user-friendly interface makes switching between lighting settings quick and simple. An indispensable and dependable tool, the Nightcore EC11 flashlight is perfect for camping, hiking, and power outages.